Welcome to Linux Overdose, Episode 7, Part 3. And this is continue of for Debian 8.4 Jessie GNOME. And Part 3 is going to be talking about installing guest editions on Debian virtual machine. So we'll go ahead and get the virtual machine VirtualBox running. So, and I'll make sure nothing's in the, make sure this is empty. Press OK and then boot. Now this is going to boot correctly because I already got it installed. Takes a few seconds to boot up. There's a little time thing. Put in my password. And you can see it's full screen now. And how I did that was, let's get out of the full screen. And how I did that was first we'll find out what this guest edition is, why it's so important to install. Right here's a lot of information that's good about it, but it adds extra features. And one thing's better screen resolution, which that's what we got now because I just got it going, and then these other good things, and there's other additions, and it also tells you step by step how to do it. And I went to 3 websites. This is one of them, and also went to this video one, which is very good information. And this guy down here with the comments is I pretty much follow this. First thing is when you install this, you don't have sudo. I'm so used to using sudo, so I had to go to install it. So to install it, you just open up a terminal. These are show applications. These are just recent applications, most frequent or all. And then you just go to your terminal, and to install sudo, you gotta be root here. So su for super user, password, and now I'm root. And now to install sudo, and I just click enter. This is already installed, and it asks for the CD-ROM installation disk. And the reason why is the Synaptic Package Manager was set up to look for packages on the off the DVD-ROM by default. So I actually had to change that, but how to change that was I went to Synaptic Package Manager, which is installed, which is right here. And I had to go to under settings, repositories, and uncheck this, because see where it says CD-ROM, it was calling from that first before the internet stuff, so I had to uncheck that, and then I was able to do this online, or I could do it on the CD, by mounting the ISO again, and then press enter and it would install. Now after you install sudo, you gotta add the user. So add user, the user's name, which is Debian 8, and then space, and then sudo. That way that user now use sudo. So now I can use sudo on this operating system now. And what I did here to install that additional guest additional is first I did sudo apt-get update, sudo apt-get upgrade, and I didn't see if these were installed yet. I didn't install nothing about a new kernel, so but I did install this dkms, so I went sudo apt-get install dkms, and then I went and make sure I had these installed. And how you do that is you open up the Synaptic Manager again, and most of these well, I can go frequent again, put green, and search by name, and look for make, and then right there makes install, and then I look for GCC, and GCC was installed. So now I want to run this application, and to do that is in here you go under device and insert guest additional CD image. Now it wasn't installed yet, so cancel. So it had to install, and it took a while to install this. And then when I did this, now you go under your file manager, and right here it is. And then what you're trying to do is run this. And what I need to do is run a root terminal in here to run this. So I noticed I had a root terminal in here, which is this one, and then run the file manager, which is nautilus, and then right here this is, and then I want to run this script. So I just do this, put let's see, I'm already root, so I'll just put sh space dot backslash, and it's case sensitive, so VBOXLINUXADDITLONS run, and you see I got the V, B, L, and A capitalized. And then I run this, and it'll say done with 0 errors. You reboot, and then you'll be able to get full screen. Like here, which I don't know what happened here. Let's see if I can get out full screen, which I did. Let's do a restart here if I can. I don't even, oh, it's messed up. So we'll go ahead and exit this, power off, and we'll unmount. Oh, it's a reason why is probably this is still mounted. So we'll get rid of this, say okay, and then we'll reboot, and then everything should be alright. And put my password in. And we'll try to go full screen again. And now I'm on full screen. So now I got this Debian full screen. So that's pretty much it. And then I'll go do a tour here. So hopefully that kind of helped you out. And the reason I already had it installed before this video is I tried some trial and error trying to get this going, and each time I was had to cut this video short, so I had it already installed. So hopefully I walked you through it pretty good to get that going. So I'm going to go ahead and end this, and we'll do a short tour of Debian, and I might change a few things for my preferences. So I'll talk to you guys later.